Hi guys, Black here. Check this out. This battery was made 5/16, which is May 2016. Batteries don't last very long, no more than 2-3 years. Good batteries last maybe 3 years. Really good batteries last 4 or 5 years. My point is this: EverStart Plus, I think that's Walmart batteries. So my experience, every Walmart battery I had lasted maybe 3 years. So recharging this battery is kind of a waste of time. I'm just gonna load it up and take it back to the Volkswagen dealership. Speaking of Volkswagen dealership, so now that the engine's locked up, what am I gonna do with this Golf? Guys, this sucker's got a pretty clean body, even though it stinks like all hell inside. I think I'm gonna pay somebody to put a motor in it. I'm not trying to do it at all. I don't feel like trying to put a motor in this thing. I mean, I'm sure I can do it. It's not too much room to work in. I mean, it's a 4-cylinder. It's not too hard to work on. I don't feel like it. Maybe if I had a week off from work, I would do it, but I don't feel like it. I would rather just pay somebody. Another engine would be about, I don't know, 500 or 600 maybe. I'm just guessing. Labor no more than about $1,500 to $2,000. So altogether, maybe $3,000 to get a motor put in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna pay somebody to do that. And so I was gonna let the windows down. Yeah, so in other words, I'm going to, ooh, I can't tell y'all what my key is, huh? Well, this damn car stinks. Oh man. But check this out. All the windows let down. I'm not getting inside to show you, but damn sunroof works too. I tried it yesterday. It does work. So today I'm going to vacuum the car out, and I'm gonna try to go. I'm gonna vacuum the car out, and I'm gonna go and get this hood latch. I watched the video inside of a guy replacing this hood latch. Turns out this should just pop forward. And after it's popped forward, it's supposed to just pull straight up. And he took a bolt here, bolt here, bolt here. It's got a thing right here you have to unhook. And my car don't have it. It does have this. There's another cable right here. But I'm gonna try to replace that today. At least I'm gonna take it off my car today. To remove this latch, I don't know what size this is because I have it like this. And it doesn't tell me the size. By the way, I bought these a long time ago. Notice they have holes in the top. They the kind, I think they call it anti-theft, anti-tamper torque or star or whatever. But anyway, it is two different sizes. This one is larger. This one is smaller. And when you take those out, you have a latch. Where is that latch? The latch that's inside. Where is that latch? Oh, here it is. This latch, all you gotta do is take this big screwdriver and knock it off like this. knock it off the pedal, the stationary thing or whatever, and then you can figure out how to unplug it. I mean, how to unhook it. And it almost come out, except there's another plug on this side. This plug runs all the way down to here. Right here. It has to be unhooked. And I guess you unhook it like this. And how do you unplug it? Guys, I don't know how to unplug the damn thing. I was watching a video on how to do it, but I guess I wasn't paying attention to that part. Ooh. Oh, there you go. So I guess you pull with your thumb and that unlocks it. But you still, I'm guessing I have to get a body panel remover. I can't see this right here to know how to unlock it. Give me a sec. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a body panel remover. I think you can figure out how you will basically slide it under and you pull it out like that. We're gonna try that. Hopefully it'll work. Hey, it worked. Yep. Can you see that? I just slid it in and popped it off. And it's like there's another one. So I might have felt like spending some money. Am I getting up on it now? Yep, I think I got it. No, thought I got it. Oh, it unlocked from the other way. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, we got that one, and we got another one right there. Turns out you can also unhook the damn thing. Let me show you the new thing. Oh hell, it might be easy just, well, right here, if you pull that, well anyway, body panel remover. Just use a body panel remover. And my back is hurting already. That's why I got this stool right here to sit on, keep me from bending over. Despite what y'all heard, I don't like bending over. Okay, so now we're gonna pull this out. And it still don't want to come up. Okay, get your big screwdriver and pry. Richard, pry. looks like. So what exactly is damage on it, I don't know. But I'm going to pull apart. I don't know, should I go to pull apart and get a used one, or should I just buy a new one from the dealer? I think I'm gonna go to pull apart first. See, can I get a used one? Most of them, probably all of them, are gonna be damaged though. Exactly how does it work? I don't know. I gotta figure this out. Ooh, I scratched my paint. Anyway, guys, that's how you get the thing out. How you put it back in. Guess it'll be the reverse. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.